Okay, so I am pretty excited about this. I sent this watch out for service to Hamilton back in the end of February, around almost exactly 4 months ago. COVID hit, and the Hamilton Service Center down in Miami ended up getting shut down about 90% through the servicing of the watch. I bought this watch about 10, 11 years ago now, and it's a very sentimental piece. And I did a video where I showed what was wrong with it beforehand. It was running really slow. It'd never been serviced. It's an automatic, and I'm going to open it up. I have not looked at this thing yet, so I'm going to do my best to do this. I'm not an unboxer by any means, but we shall see. So I'm curious to see how the packaging is. They sent a really neat foam deal that it was packaged up when I sent it out. So we'll find out what the heck shows up. Oh, it's kind of neat. Looks like a case. Okay, so got like an invoice and a package and some other neat stuff here. It's all wrapped up around it. Try to keep my personal stuff out of the way because nobody's business. So this is everything that needed done. But yeah, it was banged up. I wrecked a motorcycle wearing this thing, and amazingly it didn't destroy the watch. I kind of thought it was going to do that, but it did not. So it's there's another neat thing here. It says it's been serviced and returned to factory spec. They've vacuum tested it, air pressure tested it. It should be pretty much brand new. There's even a let's get 3 seconds a day variance to time, so that's pretty good. That's all the stuff I sent in. All right, let's see what we got here. So this is pretty cool. This is not something that I had before. This came with the watch. I did not buy this. This is new. Ah, cool. All right. So here's some more foam stuff. So this watch was the Navy Khaki GMT. I don't know what this is. Oh, there's old parts in here. So old O-ring, looks like a crown. Let's see here. So let's take a look. So I also paid for refinishing of the case and the band. As I said, it needed things done to it. So it looks like wow, yeah, it looks pretty much brand new. There's still a little bit of flex in it. Now, there's a lot of damage that was on the top of the bezel area right in here and down at the bottom, which I don't know if is coming out on the camera, but let's try to get in. Most of that looks like they did a pretty good job of getting that out. They were pretty deep. It was banged up pretty good. The fact that the lens didn't break, the crystal didn't break, was beyond me. I can't understand how it didn't happen. It should have broken, but nonetheless, though, let's see here. That definitely feels better. This was really loose. This did not have a good feel to it. There was a lot of play on that. And when I would try to wind the watch up, it was just gears grinding. It felt like crap. That feels really nice. That is exciting. Very cool. That came out really nice. So I am fairly pleased. I think the total amount I paid for the whole service, including everything that they did to it, came out to $315. That included tax and shipping and all that stuff. Yeah, did a nice job on that. Does look good. Very cool. All right, well, that was it. I just wanted to document that more for myself than anybody else. If anybody decides they want to get a Hamilton serviced, the cost to do it can be somewhat prohibitive based on the cost of the watch itself. But again, this was more a matter of just sentimental value more than anything else. I think I paid under $700 for the watch 11 years ago, and I got a really nice deal on it, and it's been through a lot of things with me, so I want to hang on to it. But all right, that's it. Thank you.